Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. This is just going to be a quick unboxing of the Aiper Scuba S1 Robotic Pool Cleaner. So let's get into the video. Let's check it out. Taking a quick look at the box here. Intelligence path planning, which is super nice to see. It's got the Caterpillar treads. We've got replaceable micro mesh ultrafine filter included, which I really need because we get all these fine dust and sand particles and all the pollen and everything. It had some awesome awards, 2025, 2024, which is good. And it is a cordless robotic pool cleaner, so battery powered. I'm really hopeful that the battery will last. Looks like other people that have reviewed this have put in a lot of good reviews on this, so that's partly why I purchased this. We're going to test it out, and there will be a review later on this product. Right there it says cordless pool cleaner. Perfect for the following types of pools: vinyl pools, concrete pools, fiberglass pools, mosaic tiles, which is good, rectangle pools, round pools, kidney pools, and custom personalized swimming pools. So mine's got a tanning ledge. I'm going to be really curious to see if this will actually come up onto the tanning ledge. It's about 12 inches of water, and apparently this will work in that, so we'll find out. It is app compatible, cordless, intelligence planning, path planning. Battery life says it's 180 minutes, so we will test that out in the review video. Unparalleled cleaning performance, we'll see. Cleans pools up to 1,600 square feet. So we'll see about that. I've got about a 10,000 gallon pool, so we'll see how she does. Let's open her up. So this time I'm doing things a little different. I'm going to set the product on the floor and open it up so you get a little bit better view of what's in the box. Nicely packaged. Got a little Aiper logo there. Looks like our instructions packaged right on the top. Yep, our Aiper manual and instructions there. So this is our, looks like our cable, our charger, and our hook to pull this back out of the pool. Packaged very well so it doesn't get damaged in shipping. And here's our main robotic unit. Put this back in the box. Let's unwrap this for you. Good looking robot there. There's our charger, our hook. An instruction manual. All right. So there's a link in the video description where you can buy one of these. Be sure and check that out after the video. Okay, I'm going to just set this up on the counter super quick so you can get a little bit better look at it. Alright, here's a close-up look, everything that was in the box. You have the main Aiper robot, you have the charger for the unit, You have the hook to pull it up out of the pool, and you do have the instruction manual. That's everything that was in the box. Thanks so much for watching today. Hopefully this video is really helpful for you. Be sure and like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Also check out these other videos I've got going on, and I'll catch you guys later.